Practice on fire extinguishers. Fire or firing has been identified. At the second, alert all the people. Inform fire service immediately. Open all the emergency exit and send people away from fire. Switch off all the electrical power supply. Take the fire extinguisher nearby and shut off the fire as you can. There are different types of fire extinguishers are there for different class of fire. We will see one by one. The common operating instructions are: pull the pin out, squeeze the trigger lever and turn the exhaust pressure pipe on the fire-caused area. Water-filled extinguisher. It is easily distinguished by the high-pressure exhaust pipe. It is mostly suitable to blow out fire from Class A fires, which are papers, woods and clothes. This type of extinguishers are used for fire on papers, clothes and wooden materials. Foam extinguisher. It is stored in gas cartridge. It is mostly suitable to blow out fire from Class B fires, which are papers, woods, clothes and flammable liquids. This type of extinguishers are used for fire on flammable liquids and stored chemicals. Carbon dioxide, that is CO2 extinguisher. It is easily distinguished by the distinctively shaped discharge horn. It is mostly suitable to blow out fire from Class B fires, which are electrical equipments and flammable liquids and chemicals. This type of extinguishers are used for fire on electrical equipments, flammable liquids and chemical agents. Dry powder extinguisher. It is stored in a gas cartridge or a stored pressure type. It is mostly suitable to blow out fire from all class fires, which are papers, woods, clothes, liquefied petroleum gases and flammable or chemical liquids. This type of extinguishers are used for fire on such as liquefied petroleum gases.